Hey y'all, so I wanted to make a cute little fence out of these shims that I got from Lowe's. And this little pack that I got was $1.50, so it was pretty cheap for a little pack of wood to craft with. Now I will say, because of how they are shaped, it's a little hard to get them to glue together, so it will not be very sturdy. So this is solely for decor purposes, for you to set up in your home just to add a cute little spring touch. But these wood pieces are really lightweight, so they hold together really well with hot glue. So I'm always going for like a rustic look, so I'm just kind of dry brushing over this wood with some white, and then I'm going to go in and add in a little bit of brown as well. So I took a piece of cloth and just went over the brown a little bit and then dry brushed over that again with a little bit of white. So the floral that I'm adding I got from Dollar General, and I'm just going to bunch this together and then tie it together with a piece of twine. So I really love the look of this burlap bow. I got it from Amazon in a 4-pack, so I just made a simple little bow to add on to this. And to attach our floral to our little fence, I'm just tying a little piece of twine through one of the pieces and then feeding that through the fence, and then we're just going to tie it on the back of it. So that will hold it in place and keep it secure. So I got these beads from Dollar General. They were just $1. I thought they were really cute and they would go along with this really well. So I added those, just crisscrossed them a little bit and added some hot glue to hold them together. Now all we have to do is just add on our little bow. So I'm putting a little dab of hot glue and then gluing that right onto our floral piece. So this is how it turned out once it's all together. It goes along really cute with the little birdhouse that I made also. But let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.